Here's a question for you. What if your money could make you money while you sleep? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm going to show you a step-by-step plan to make your first $1,000 in dividends. Whether you're new to investing or looking to grow your portfolio, this guide will set you on the path to earning passive income. But remember, this isn't financial advice, just a roadmap to help you start. Always do your research and talk to a financial advisor. All right, let's dive in. Step 1. Understand dividend investing. Okay, so what's a dividend? It's basically a portion of a company's profits that's paid to shareholders. That's you. Most companies pay dividends quarterly, but some pay monthly or annually. Now, here's the cool part. The dividend yield. This tells you how much a company pays in dividends compared to its stock price. For example, a stock priced at $100 with a 3% dividend yield pays you $3 annually per share. And if you reinvest those dividends, you'll unlock the magic of compound growth. Think of it as earning interest on your interest. Your money starts working over time. Step 2. Define your goals and risk tolerance. Ask yourself, are you investing for long-term growth, steady income, or both? Dividend investing is typically more stable, but there's still risk, like stock prices dropping or companies cutting dividends. If you're just starting out, focus on reliable blue-chip companies. These are household names with a history of steady payouts. Think Coca-Cola or Procter & Gamble. But if you're willing to take on more risk, smaller companies with higher yields could boost your returns. Just know they might not be as consistent. Step 3. Open a brokerage account. You'll need a brokerage account to start investing in dividend-paying stocks or funds. Look for platforms with low or no fees, no account minimums, user-friendly tools. And decide, do you want a taxable account or a retirement account like a Roth IRA? For example, a Roth IRA lets you grow your dividends tax-free. Yes, you heard that right. Step 4. Research dividend-paying investments. Now comes the fun part. Picking your investments. You've got 3 main options. 1. Individual dividend stocks. Look for companies with a strong track record of paying and growing dividends. Focus on stable industries like utilities, consumer goods, or healthcare. 2. Dividend ETFs. These bundle multiple dividend-paying stocks into one investment. Instant diversification, low fees, and a set-it-and-forget-it option. 3rd. Dividend mutual funds. Similar to ETFs but actively managed, just watch out for higher fees. When choosing, keep an eye on metrics like the dividend yield, payout ratio, and the company's financial health. Step 5. Start small and reinvest your dividends. You don't need thousands to get started. Begin with what you can afford, maybe $50 or $100 a month. The real secret? Reinvesting those dividends through a DRIP, or dividend reinvestment plan. This lets you use your payouts to automatically buy more shares, even fractional ones, so your income grows faster. Step 6. Stay patient and monitor your progress. Building up to $1,000 in dividends won't happen overnight. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, keep reinvesting, and watch your portfolio grow. Check in on your investments every so often. Companies can change, and you want to make sure your portfolio still aligns with your goals. But don't panic if the market dips. Remember, you're in this for the long haul. And there you have it. A simple step-by-step plan to earn your first $1,000 in dividends. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite dividend stock or strategy? Let's talk about it. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, every dollar you invest today is one step closer to financial freedom. I'll catch you in the next one. Happy investing!